This slide shows how urine is formed. There are 3 phases: filtration, reabsorption, and reabsorption and secretion. The first is filtration, and this is the job of the renal corpuscle, which again is this. This includes the glomerulus and Bowman's capsule. So a large volume of fluid, including waste, nutrients, electrolytes, and other dissolved substances, passes from the blood to the renal artery and then eventually to the glomerulus. The filtrate moves from the glomerulus down into Bowman's capsule through here. Water, glucose, amino acids, ions, creatinine, and urea will be filtered down into Bowman's capsule. Red blood cells and protein typically remain in the blood. Waste and what is not needed stay in the filtrate, eventually progressing down for excretion. The second phase is reabsorption. So reabsorption is the job of the tubules. So we have the proximal convoluted tubule and the distal convoluted tubule. Water is absorbed back into the bloodstream, mostly via the proximal convoluted tubule. Glucose, amino acids, bicarb for acid-base balance, and electrolytes and water are being reabsorbed. What we need goes back into the bloodstream. And the third and final phase is the back and forth. So this is reabsorption and secretion. This is in particular the job of the paratubular capillaries, which are down here, and the proximal convoluted tubule, which again is up here. What we need goes back into the blood. So it is, again, this is the artery, and it's going to be filtering, and eventually it might go back into the venous system and back into the heart. But what we don't need is going to pass through into the tubules and be secreted as urine.